Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celer Network. Right now, Celer Network is testing a very critical support at 14 cents. And in today's video, we will see that whether the price line will break down this support, it will be reverse bullish from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Okay, we have been watching. This is a really very critical and important support zone that starts from 15.5 cents and goes to 14 cents, and we have been watching in my previous videos as well. Whenever the price line has been entered in this zone, it has been moved up, and if this zone has been broken down, then it has worked as a strong resistance as well. Like previously, this zone has worked as a very strong support here, and before that, this 14 cent support has been working as a strong resistance. Even the price line entered here in the zone, but it was rejected and moved up again, and after breaking out it moved down, entered in this zone, but again reverse bullish. And when we had a zigzag move in this zone, for the long time, the price action has been using this zone as a strong support and resistance, and here the price line broke down and rejected, moved down, and broke out again. Right now we are again entered in this zone and testing this very important support of 14 cents. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, in my previous video I told you that the price line has formed a market structure, a bullish market structure. Like we had a reversal here, and we had another bounce here, we had another bounce here. Right now, after being rejected by this resistance, we are again moved down at this support, and soon we can hit the support again. And you can see that this is the simple moving average 25. This blue line is the 25 simple moving average daily, and the price line is also using this 25 simple moving average again and again as a support. And right now we again have the 25 and the support of the triangle at the same time working together as a strong support. So it is possible that we will have another reversal. So the time is critical for Celer Network, but it can be another very nice buy the dip opportunity as well, because at every dip at the support we had a nice reversal, and this is still our horizontal support, horizontal resistance for the price line, and the price line is again and again being rejected. If we take a look at the stochastic here, I want to show you that the price line is forming higher lows, and if we take a look at the stochastic, then stochastic was forming lower lows. Like we had a low here, we had another higher low, and you can see the stochastic formed lower than previous low, then we had another higher low, and stochastic again formed another lower than previous low. That is the hidden bullish divergence. Therefore the price line may follow this hidden bullish divergence, and it will be again turned bullish from here. And right now the stochastic is also moving in the oversold zone again. Now if the price line will break out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle, this ascending triangle, then our next imminent target after this breakout, if we will have a breakout from this triangle, then the next target can be approximately at 30 cents. So far so good. The price line is having nice reversal from this support. Let's see what will happen. We have a hidden bullish divergence. The stochastic has entered the oversold zone. We have a 25 simple moving average support as well, and we have a complete open alligator mouth formation as well. Like we have the 25, 50, 100, and then 200. Smallest time period moving average below, above all, and the biggest time period is below all. That is an open alligator mouth formation. That is a very big bullish signal. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.